Fight. Fight. Fight.
Grab some target practice while you can. We're deploying soon. Enemy dropping into the AO. Enemy soldier incoming. Enemy soldier incoming. Enough practice. Time for the real thing.
Had to run that up.
Battle Royale. Mark a drop point for your team. You'll lead them in. Avoid the gas. Get to the safe zone.
Going, bro.
Gavi?
Scabby.
Located a supply box. Secure that position. All right, lads. Let's get it done. Next objective located. Next objective located. Be advised, enemy team is tracking your location.
Ah, he was low. Bastard. Oh,
Moving. Contact! Disregard blast. Your teammates in the gulag. If they survive, they can redeploy. Contact! Your teammate was sent to the gulag. They'll fight for a chance to redeploy. Teammate redeploying to the AO. Contact! Shit! You're in the gulag now. Fight to earn redeploy. Your teammate's done in. They're returning to base. We got a proper fight. Feel free to give these wankers a proper cheering. And if you fight, feel free to give them that as well. fight kicking off. You're up next, mate. Get ready. You win this fight and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done here. You're up, soldier. Now go sort this fucker out. Not trust nothing there. We're bringing you home. Not over yet. Your team can still buy your release.
Does anyone need this? Does anyone need this? Light vehicle here. Light vehicle here. Does anyone need this? Disregard last. I'll drive. Does anyone need this?
Get yourself a proper warm-up. We'll be deploying soon.
Konti, wala lots. Ay, ano, meron pero pangit. Pangit ng mga skin eh. Dapat lahat parang rose skin dapat para patas ang laban. Maraming may bago pero masyadong bago lang.
Stop warming up. Stand by for deployment to the war zone.
Lahat rose. Puro itim, hindi kita. Bago rin yata ito.
here.
Battle
Does anyone need
Royale.
this? Does anyone need this?
Gas is
Does
closing
anyone
on your
need this?
position.
Which
Just
skin?
get moving.
Sabi mo, Lods.
I'll take that.
Which skin?
Go.
Nakuha nga yung, 100k pera.
Enemy dropping into the AR. Contract confirmed. Get the job done. Targets are up. Get to work.
Babagsakan ang lahat.
Fight to
Sana.
earn redeployment. Fight's ready. Run next match. Get ready. You win this fight and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done here. You're up, soldier. Now go sort this fucker out. That one. We're sending you back to base. Your team can still buy you back if they have the cash.
Yeah, go. I thought y'all ran upstairs.
Then you're like, well, you don't have to be with me then. I'm like, okay. You do the same thing. It's no different. No different. I'm being sarcastic at the same time, so I'm not being.
John Wick. I know John Wick can team wipe.
Get yourself sorted. We'll be deploying shortly.
going.
Moving! Battle Royale. Mark a drop point for your team. You'll lead them in.
Does anyone need this?
Avoid the gas. Get to the safe zone. Your primary objective is to kill them all. Enemy soldier incoming.
Taking fire! Performance. Taking fire!
You're in the gulag now. Fight your own redeployment. Pay attention, you'll be out there. Right, you're next. Listen up, soldier. Win here and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done. Time to earn your freedom, soldier. Stand on my proper floor. Stand by for redeployment. Your teammate got their RCB at this time. That's all that's left. Get it done.
Aid station here.
Learn from the loss. Failure's a proper teacher.
I'm Omar, but boys call me Papa Omar. You could join us.
Join you?
Yeah, a casa hogar.
I'm not no orphan.
I just moved that floor.
Can't expect street kids to learn manners overnight.
You got 20 years to learn, Omar.
Everybody has. The trials and the tribulations.
All right, listen up, guys. Attention. There's a storm that's going to reach the coast in a few hours. The good news, after we get done eating, we can line sandbags to protect from flooding.
Get yourself a proper warm-up. We'll be deploying soon. Mark the drop point for your team. You'll lead a mission. Stop there! Be advised, gas is closing in. Proceed to the safe zone. Eliminate all targets in the AR. Supply box identified. Marking location now. Contract updated. New objective identified. Next objective located. Primary objective accomplished. All supply boxes found. Supply box identified. Marking location now. Next objective located. Next objective located. Primary objective accomplished. Found. Loadout drop inbound. Losing ground.
Plunder cash here.
Loadout drop inbound.
Lods. Rolly Carlisle. Nakaspak. Idol.
Welcome to the Gulag. If you survive, you earn your freedom.
Behind the tank. Puro random lang, Lods.
You win this fight and you return to the front
Tulog
line.
lahat.
But if you lose, you're done. Time to earn your freedom, soldier.
Tara, Lods. Pag, ano.
Here they redeploy to the AO.
Contact!
Moving. Your teammate got a proper sorting. We're sending them home.
Sige, Lods. Dito lang ako.
Most wanted designation is set. You're a target now.
Gosh,
Moving!
bumagsak pa. Hintay lang, Lods, pag ano, online na.
Friendly loadout drop on the way.
Aid station here.
I got the most wanted.
Got the most wanted. So
Gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
Buy station.
station.
Spotted the Celtic. Aid station here. All right. Aid station here. All right.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Aid station here.
Got gas moving in.
Aid station here.
Anyone need this?
Do you wanna buy a...
Do you want to
Enemy UAV overhead.
Aid station here. I'm here.
The whole team's there. You get your load up.
load up?
Spotted a care package.
Learn from the loss. Failure's a proper teacher.
Invite lang loads pag pag ready na. Random lang. Random lang. Random lang. Check your gear and weapons. Planes are making ready for deployment. Enemy dropping into the AR. Enemy dropping into the AR. Playtime's over, mate. You're going to the war zone. Where we going?
Battle Royale. Alright, soldier. Mark a drop point.
Does anyone need this? Disregard blast.
Be advised, gas.
You wanna take the 100K?
Safe zone.
Do this.
Targets are up. Get to work. Enemy soldier incoming.
Request recon flyover.
UAV entering the AO.
Go in there.
RTB for resupply.
shit. All I got is fucking pistol, man.
Your teammates take the gulag. Fight for a chance to redeploy.
Oh shit. I hit like literally like right behind you.
Teammate has entered the gulag. Surviving earns some redeployment.
Grenade out!
Teammate redeploying to the AO. Your teammate got a proper sorting. We're sending them
Shotgun
home.
here.
They opened the vault. Just wanna go get that money.
Shit, hell yeah. And I got the riot shield. What's up?
Can ambush that guy. Just loot, I think. You guys wanna do it, or do you just wanna?
Yeah, well, I'm looking for dude in the blue slotting. What is he doing?
Okay. Go blue.
Gas is inbound.
I mean in the top.
Alright, I'm going up.
Enemy UAV overhead. Heading this way.
Oh, get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here, man.
Yeah.
You by the stairwell?
Fuck. Thing in there.
With the
They're still in the vault. They're inside. They're hiding in there.
Gotcha. That make more sense. They probably knew somebody was gonna come, so they figured they just camp out.
You win this fight and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done here. Time to earn your freedom, soldier. Your teammate is redeploying. Stand by.
Let's go.
Grenade out!
Oh shit. Alright, it's off to the top. Oh shit. Oh, shit. I just on the 161.
Yeah, I just detonated the second. Disarm, I should say. Coming up.
Alright.
Is that you? Footsteps? I don't know.
I'm gonna, yeah, that's probably me. I'm on the rooftop. Oh shit. Oh, good shit, man. Come on.
Loadout drop headed your way. Extra legals here.
Big corner.
They're here.
Oh, the enemy?
Yeah, the threat. Latin floppies is the hunted
Gas
one.
inbound. Safe zone relocated.
Oh shit.
You disarmed the C4?
Yeah, I just want to see one.
Enemy UAV overhead.
What? Oh. Good.
You guys have extra plates?
Oh shit, what's up? Oh, get the fuck out of here. God damn. Hey,
What's your daily sip? When you join our subscription at Circle K, you can grab any sized coffee or fountain drink daily for just $5.99 a month. Join Sip and Save with your mobile number when you check out at Circle K. Limited time offer at participating locations.
Share the fresh taste of summer with new Absolute Watermelon. Just in time for summertime backyard hangs. Mix up a fresh, tasty drink like a watermelon vodka soda or watermelon vodka Rita. But whatever you prefer, you'll love to know that Absolute Watermelon has no...
target practice while you can. We'll deploy it soon. Enemy soldier incoming. Warm up done. Time to kick this off.
You guys down for the 100K or we go somewhere else?
I don't care. Pick it. That's fine. Where are we trying to go?
Get the 100K from the vault if you guys down.
Gas is approaching your position. Move to the
Yeah,
safe
just mark it.
That's right there. By the building. Tall building. Oh, we're late. We're already late. That's okay. We're going somewhere. Here.
Anyone need this?
Going where that magnifying glass is, right?
Yeah, by the scavenger. Got it. I got it.
Located a supply bin. Secure that position. Objectives updated. Move to the next location. Next location.
Hey.
Contract complete. All supply boxes located.
Beautiful.
I got that shot shield.
Yeah, one of us can. I'm making my way over there if I don't get there soon enough.
Assault rifle here.
Yep.
Money, let's go get a loadout. Let's go.
Vendor here if you need equipment.
An enemy team is hunting you. Stay alert.
Pick the money.
Plunder
Just in
cash
case. In case I die. You guys have that money. Gonna get the...
Okay, which way you want to go? Are we following?
Buy station.
Vendor here if you need equipment.
I'm headed to the buy station. He's coming? Oh.
Yeah, we're going. Trying to get over there. I could buy it if you want. There's someone you guys.
Moving in.
We just buy probably a UAV or ammunition box. Whatever.
Okay. I'll buy a UAV then.
Loadout drop headed your way.
We're gonna have company.
Plunder cash here.
Okay, I got a UAV.
Do you wanna give me some okay extra? You can buy a airstrike.
Friendly UAV overhead. Enemy UAV overhead.
Stop. Fuck.
Buy a
Plunder cash here.
who's that? Carlos? You wanna buy your own UAV or airstrike?
Yeah. I bought an UAV.
Okay.
Oh,
So-
who just
so-
broke that glass? Was it Carlos?
I think so.
Yeah. Okay.
So you do have UAV. I have airstrike.
Yep.
Carlos have well, Carlos, do you wanna buy something? Get the money from Francine.
Folks, you can go out now. Go. Go out. Yeah, here.
Carlos has a threat.
I gotta figure out how to.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Body armor here. Body armor here.
I didn't want that.
Safe. You lost the enemy trackers.
Nice. We have money.
There's a lot of armor plating up here. Are we leaving right here? Are we staying?
I head to the boneyard or train station.
Yeah. Yeah, let's do it. I'm down for whatever.
Anyone need this?
I'm not picky, so.
Go get the recon. Do you wanna pop the UAV?
Yeah, what happened to it? Why don't I have it anymore?
Oh, okay.
Did I drop
That's
it?
okay, that's okay.
Yeah, you know what? I'll buy another one. Damn it. I didn't mean to do that. Is there another buy st- Shoot.
That
My
is
bad.
okay.
I think I hit
We can,
when I was trying to give him cash.
buy over
Enter
here.
here if you need equipment.
Loadout drop headed your way.
Where's the loadout?
It's over here by me.
Oh, let's go. Let's go get those.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
What?
Yeah, this is mine.
Careful, you guys are sitting. These ducks out there. Okay, so we're inside, right? Yeah.
Take the.
Does anyone
pen.
need this?
They're all yours.
Got gas moving in.
Up.
We're in safe zone. Watch for enemy.
Objective updated. Secure that position.
Moving.
We got people, it looks like, to probably our right.
The gunshots?
Yeah, I heard gunshots. It's a little ways away, but...
Open.
Oh, jeez.
Who didn't take their loadout? Somebody didn't take their loadout.
I didn't, 'cause I have my loadout already.
Secure. Solid work.
They see the truck?
Right in front of us?
They're just passing by, I think. There's a box on the roof, by the roof, I think. Gonna go pee really quick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Planting explosive.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Oh boy.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Looking for us.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Okay, someone popped like 2 UAVs in our area, so we
Guys
need
are
to
ghosted,
move
right?
because we're out. I don't think I'm ghosted, no.
Does anyone need this?
Yeah, might as well. Yeah.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
Beacon, so. Oh, this one is
Does
easier.
anyone need this?
No, they're about the same distance. That's cool.
Objective
Objective updated. Secure that position.
Kind of.
There's definitely gunfire going on over there.
Body armor here. Body armor here. Plunder cash here.
You have a lot of money.
Yeah, we do.
Plunder here if you need equipment. Enemy vehicle!
Contract complete. Recon intel secured.
You can live with that.
Hang out in here.
Moving.
I'm down for whatever.
Yeah, it's good. Hope there's no campers in here. Buy a UAV.
Yeah,
Oh, I'm gonna buy my selfie.
you're gonna buy an assault team?
Selfie, like self revive.
Oh, self-revive, yeah. Yeah.
The extra, I'm just gonna. A gas mask actually.
Got one right now.
I don't mind. Buy a self revive, Carlos. Buy a selfie. Both have a.
Where is it? Is it right here?
Buy station? Here.
Oh, there it is. Yeah, cool.
Carlos, do you want to buy your self revive? However, self revive, you don't have it. Yeah? Bag. Or buy your gas mask. Do you have a gas mask, Carlos? Oh, go buy one. There.
Vendor here if you need equipment.
And buy your self revive. Or UAV.
I bought a UAV. Let me know when you want me to pop it.
I think you need, yeah, you just pop it right now. So we know the enemy
Pop
side.
it?
Friendly
Yeah.
UAV overhead.
Or they're probably all ghosted right now.
Here comes a vehicle right here.
They're gonna go to the buy station for sure. Let's wait.
One.
Yeah.
Ready?
Oh shit! I missed it. You got him?
No, I almost.
Tango.
Broke is broke.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the side.
Enemies in the area!
This fucking goddamn it.
Got you?
Teammates in the gulag.
Yeah, he ran me over. I was trying to destroy him. Let me see if I can get him out of the gulag. Damn, here we go. I thought more than one was gonna come at the buy station, so I waited because I didn't want to.
Killed the other guy.
Yeah. And then two got in that that razor looking thing though.
We're not all here. Regroup in a safe zone. Sniper
I know his
rifle here.
teammate to drop over here.
Yeah, I'm waiting for an opponent. Hopefully it'll kick me out and just let me get back in. This is crap. Come on, someone die. One person's... Are you still alive?
Yeah.
Okay.
Target marked. Send it.
This is Striker 3-1. Good copy. Strike inbound.
Where the vehicle?
Splash. Good kill.
Alright, I'm in the gulag, so let's see what happens.
We're still here. Oh shit, he got me. There's a sniper in the whole building beside
Damn,
the,
I died in the gulag, so you might have to buy me.
I died. They sniped me.
That's it.
And someone's camping by
Carlos
the
still in?
buy station. I still have gulag. Oh, gulag winner.
Okay.
Damn. Oh shit. Gulag.
Mover. Loadout drop headed your way.
Oh, let's go by the loadout. That's our only chance. Ah, fuck.
Here, send me a party invite so we can at least...
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
Ah, they waited for that. Damn. Why is he facing?
Less than 25 still standing.
Alright, I'll invite you. How about the other guy? What's his name?
added sugar. New Absolute Watermelon, the perfect addition to any summer occasion. Click or tap now to buy a bottle. 21 plus, enjoy responsibly. Absolute Watermelon, watermelon flavored vodka.
Inviting one more. Hello? Hello? Carlisle.
Sino kasama mo, Lods?
Random lang. Itong ano, nakilala ko. Pero walang mic.
Yo,
Walang
yo.
mic.
Yo.
Yo, 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 yo.
Yo, yo, yo.
What y'all doing?
Go BR quads. Doing good.
Good.
Why the fuck is the fight? Why the no? Why the puppy? Why?
Were you playing BR with us earlier or no? 420.
Yo, yo.
Yo, 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 yo.
Yo, 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 yo. Were you playing quads BR earlier with us?
Yes, yes.
No.
Oh,
I wasn't.
okay. I think it's a different person. Different player.
Yeah, it wasn't me.
Yeah, it's me. It's me, Zero Zero. It's me.
Carlisle, is that you? Okay. I know
No,
you had 20 kills from our previous game.
Wow, wow.
Grab some target practice while you can. We're deploying soon.
Hello, hello. That's Mike, that's Mike, that's Mike. Hello, Zero Zero.
Yo, Carlisle.
Hello, guys. Hello, guys.
Yo.
Mic check,
Where are
mic
you
check.
from? 420.
Florida.
Oh, nice.
American? American?
Yeah, America.
Yeah. Nice.
Live on the beach.
Oh, shit.
Whoa, I love this.
Yeah, bro. It's nice.
A bunch of fucking sexy ass women, bro.
Yeah, some beautiful women.
Send me some nude
Oh
pics.
man, it's crazy.
Share some pictures. just joking.
No, I got
hope
you.
one day I will go to America.
Where you at?
Italy.
Oh, nice.
I'm in California.
Fuck America.
Italy. From Italy.
Nice.
Yeah.
Milan.
Don't come to America. Stay in Italy, bro.
Why?
America sucks. Italy is way better than America.
There's a lot of shooting going on right now here in America.
Hey, that's way more sexy bitches in Italy than here, bro.
Yeah.
Stay there.
Yeah.
That's my mamacitas over there, bro.
Oh.
Yeah, mamacitas are around.
Oh, I know. Okay, hospital.
Does anyone need this?
Let's go.
Let's go, let's go.
Alright, lads, let's get it done. Move to the next area and secure the perimeter.
Poquito dinero. Pero hay que trabajar.
Yeah, I might as well keep the helicopter for us as well, right?
I'll take it.
Gotcha. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Loud
Let's
and
get a
clear.
loadout. Can I get a loadout?
It's not working. Go.
Yeah, I think we can get load out.
Get the money first.
Let's go to the fire station then.
Right here.
Can you guys pick me up over here? Oh, so close. Very nice indeed.
I dropped the money.
Oh.
Does anyone need this? Let me drop the mark.
So let's go to secure, okay? Secure. Let's go. Let's go.
Look at it.
Nice one. It's going around.
That's funny. Where's it at, bro? Up top? Oh, no way.
Yeah.
I thought it was fucking Fucking pinche.
Armor over here.
Where?
Where is it? No, down.
I told down low. Yeah, bro. What the fuck?
Yeah. Let's go, let's go.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
It's up here.
Moving.
Maybe we use this there.
Wow, bro. I'm tripping. What is that?
Did you find it?
Wow. Where
Where
the
is
fuck
it?
was it at, bro? Yeah, that's bullshit.
It's in the other building, right?
I never seen that recon there before.
Oh, it's right here. Outside.
Right here, right here.
Proceed to the marked location.
Go.
There's an enemy in the recon, huh?
Yeah?
There's an enemy.
That's it, fine.
Right message.
Got a healer.
Pa Carlos Santana. I'll scout
Whoa.
the area.
Watch on
Someone's
top.
by.
Watch
What's on the
top.
bus station?
Contract complete. Recon intel secured.
Hello.
Recon flyover. UAV is go.
Where you wanna go?
Let's get the recon
Right
again
here.
if you want.
Right here.
Ah, they're all around, huh?
Anyone need this? Regard.
They're all around.
Does anyone need this? Disregard blast.
Oh my god. Enemies all around.
I know.
RTB for resupply.
Everywhere.
They're everywhere, guys.
You wanna stay up here for a
Let's stay
little
here.
bit?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm good.
Let's
I like.
Let's ambush the
Oh my god.
the one who got the vote.
They're
BK.
doing the money, the bolt, huh?
Hey, people right here. I got one down.
Yeah. Where?
Right here.
I'm moving.
I think someone's climbing.
Moving here.
Yeah.
Target down.
Where is it there?
Right here.
Oh, I got stuck behind the stairs, bro.
One more.
I got one down. Yep.
Oh shit. Carlos. Hi, Carlisle.
May kami ito. Oh, they're coming. Oh. I got one.
This is the Gulag. Survive and you can redeploy. Time, mate. You'll be out there soon enough.
Soon enough.
You win this fight and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done here. Time to earn your freedom.
Kylie, abasin po yung balloon.
Yeah, right, bro.
Your teammates will return to the front line. Yeah, you kick their ass. Stand by for redeployment. Your teammates done in.
You guys gonna get the loadout?
Only rally point.
Or you guys wanna go back over there?
We're dead, guys.
Enemies in
Enemy. Enemy, Jer. There's an enemy. Sniping. Oh, that's it. Pre, masagitan, pre.
Oh shit. Sorry.
Oh, go, guy.
Run away.
Run. Run.
Run.
Designate yourself
Run
as a
like a
most
Do
pussy.
the mambo.
Stay frosty.
Run like a pussy.
King.
Enemy UAV overhead. Gas is closing in.
King Jer Zero.
There's no vehicle?
Vehicle? No. There's no... Here. Oh, here.
So much by the buy station.
Disregard that.
Gimme.
Vehicle here.
No, Jer. Go, Jer. Go, Jer.
Oh!
Ay! No!
Hard out there.
My God.
Oh, I think that's a hacker. Let's see. Hold on 1 second.
Ako dara magawa ba?
Ano ko naririnig? Ikaw ko nai-disturbo. Mas malakas pa ang boses ko. Sana! No, quello si trasportano. Ecco così.
Captain, ano na bang oras yan po what time is it?
Ha?
San Diego, World Cup. Oh, almost loud.
No, 3 minutes. Taas naman ng latency ko.
Mataas?
Hindi ko lang. Sa pre-game lang siguro.
Hindi natin namin, palit tayo.
Yan, bumaba na.
Okay.
Ayun na.
Warm-up's done. Time to kick this off.
Let's go!
Battle Royale. Alright, soldier. Mark a drop point for your team. Gas is approaching your position. Move to the safe zone.
Copy.
We're waiting in the middle.
Alright.
Opo.
Alright, lads, let's get it done. Proceed to the marked location and secure the area.
sniper rifle here.
Load out.
Load out?
Load out.
Good enough.
Yeah.
Where is the loadout?
Coming soon.
It's mine.
We could go hit,
Can go. We can head to the recon and then buy a loadout in here.
right here.
Vendor here if you need equipment.
Okay, okay.
The box. I can hear it, but
It's up top.
got it.
Move it.
Color the recon.
Recon intel secured. Solid work.
Okay, let's go to the loadout.
Oh,
Vendor here if you disregard last.
down here
Vendor
or
here
here?
if you need equipment. Vendor here if you need equipment. Disregard last.
This one goes to the middle.
Vendor here if you need equipment.
Doesn't matter.
Disregard last.
SMG marked.
Vendor here if you need equipment.
Let's go to this one over here. It's closer. Oh, no, man.
Come on, come on.
This way.
Yeah, yeah,
This
yeah.
one goes to the middle.
Let's go, let's go.
Yeah, we're out in the open.
That's why I don't. Yeah.
Out
Oh,
in
you're
the
getting
open.
shot at.
Got gas moving in.
The cover over here. Money.
I got a riot shield, so we can
Loadout drop headed your way.
block us from everybody.
Plunder cash here.
Oh man, lag.
Our team's in the safe zone.
You guys wanna maybe oh, we got somebody over here on this buy.
Vendor. Located a vehicle.
And the,
How much is
Let's go.
ammunition box?
3-5.
I need
Ah.
400.
Here.
Does anyone need this?
Come on, let's push them.
Where are we going?
What? Recon again? You want?
Yeah. Go.
Does anyone need this?
See?
Okay, come on, come on.
We gotta be careful with stadium and all the people across.
Yeah, yeah.
Medium campers.
Marked here.
Oh, someone's
Oh, I got a guy right here.
Taking shots.
Dead, dead, dead. Dead, 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 dead.
Down, down. You can push them, you can push them.
Wipe.
Nobody.
Nice.
I got nobody on heartbeat.
No, it's
Nobody
wipe,
on-
it's wipe. Already wipe.
Good job, guys. You still have UAV?
I don't.
I think it's in the
No, I
roof.
don't have UAV.
I think it's in the
I can
rooftop.
buy, I can buy.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get the recon.
Friendly UAV overhead.
Ah, there's another one. Here, guys.
I'm coming.
Spin it.
Wait. Oh yeah, I see you. Okay, you go that side. I go this side.
Okay, copy.
Just spin them if you see them. I think it's a king.
It's a king.
Probably by himself.
Okay. Oh, he's up top. He's up top.
It's on the top, It's on the top, guys.
I'm moving. Gas is inbound.
Oh yeah, he's standing right here.
Relocating.
Wait, I will
Hard
go.
left. I got him cracked. He's cracked. Cracked. There you go. Good shit. Good
Nice
shit.
one, guys.
Nice. Oh,
Cool, I'll take that dead center.
Let's get our ghost, guys.
I got ghost already.
Okay. No, I will get.
Yeah, let's go get
nice one.
I'm gonna go get my sniper, my overkill.
gonna get the
Okay.
the recon. Then I'll go to the loadout. I'm gonna go get the loadout first. Better to be
PJ.
undetected.
Oh my pendeja. Oh, you got it inside?
Yeah, you can get
Yeah,
it from the
inside.
Nice.
Okay, nice one. So we have money. We can buy extra ammo or extra plate.
Gas is closing in.
I'm gonna get me a self-revive.
Ah, yeah. Nice one. Let's get self-revive.
Get self-revives.
Yeah.
Does anyone need this?
It's not looted in this building. That's a lot of money.
Where? There.
By the orange pin.
Yes, let's get the recon,
Okay.
guys.
Yeah, get that recon.
Proceed to the marked location and secure the area.
Yeah, money. Dinero, mucho dinero.
Ano?
Mucho dinero.
Yes, sir.
To dinero. Pito. Dinero, mucho trabajo.
Yeah, I
Mucho
only know
trabajo.
Paquito Espanol because I cook well at Outback. So, you know, I say, oh, fucking a lot of shit. I'm learning a lot of shit.
That's good, man.
I'll be like, hey, cuatro más papas. Pendeja.
Pandejo.
Pendeja.
We can get this again if you want, guys. We can get that again so that you can see.
Which one? The recon? Yeah.
Recon,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
Then after that, let's do bounty.
We can go to the
Let's go camp.
bounty. Okay. Camp Sawi.
Yeah, I'll stay over here just in case it pops up over here.
Yeah. I'll get the recon.
I'll go with you. Oh, I can give a UAV. Buy a new UAV.
Ah, okay.
Idea. I'm gonna get one too. Put it in my.
Here.
Keep it in my thing.
Request recon flyover.
UAV entering the AO.
They're over here.
Vendor here.
Camping.
Oh, yeah, of course they are.
Camp later.
Proceed to the marked location and secure the area.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
Coming back.
Contract complete. Recon intel secured.
Oh, somebody didn't take their loadout. Guess we're gonna do oh, there's one more.
Are we all ghosted?
Yeah. I'm ghosted.
I'm ghosted.
I think somebody didn't take their loadout. I think Carlos.
Even me.
I got.
No. I'm ghosted, guys.
No, Carlos.
Carlos.
I got Carlos.
Secure that position.
Carlos, what kind of gun you got, puppy? Huh? Let me see you. What kind of gun you got, huh? Yeah, fucking ground loot.
Can camp in this side
Vendor here if you need equipment.
after the recon, or it depends on the circle.
Do we have UAV, guys?
I already
I have
used
one,
it.
yeah. I have one.
Oh, okay, that's
Be
good.
careful here, okay? Be careful here.
Friendly UAV overhead.
They're across the street. Oh, they're already
There
camping.
they are.
Found a vendor.
There they are.
They know
On
where the
other
circle's
side,
gonna
the
end
bunker.
up.
Gas is closing in.
Let's finish this.
Oh, he's on
then.
top, puppy, on top. Hey,
Oh, yeah.
on top.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's get him.
Oh shit, they have the circle, huh? That's why they're camping.
That's why they're
Where?
camping the circle, yeah.
Where is he?
He's on top of the building.
You can wait if you guys want.
Oh, they dropped down down here. Oh, hit armor.
I don't have a
This one?
sniper.
Oh, it's alright.
They're camping already, eh?
Yeah, he went up the hill.
Yeah, we can wait. They're probably gonna die soon. For the first team they're gonna counter. Right there, buddy, open.
Contact! Target marked.
They're on the mountain, guys.
Body armor here.
Gonna buy my selfie by the buy station.
I'll buy some airstrike, okay?
Okay.
Relocate.
You guys want me to buy airstrike? Yeah.
Head now.
Give me the money if you guys want.
Airstrike jar, airstrike jar.
Head now.
Right? Okay, I'll buy airstrike.
Yeah, airstrike.
Yeah, this all over here.
Be advised, friendly precision airstrike inbound.
No, uno solo per volta.
I have extra ammo, guys, huh? I'll buy it.
Also, watch out for behind us.
Yeah.
Someone's behind us?
No, watch out for
Oh,
behind
okay,
us.
okay. Yeah,
Watch
yeah.
out, watch out.
Gonna go get some ammo over here.
Moving.
Okay.
If we can get this house, it's okay, huh?
Yeah.
The yellow
Yeah,
house,
let's-
guys.
Need this.
That's
Yeah,
supposed to be
yeah.
our
Rush it.
plan, but
Fuck
they got there first. But we can wait till they're gonna be busy. Okay, someone's already on.
An enemy team the UAV overhead. Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone.
Broke armor.
Where?
Disabled.
Yeah, they crashed.
Receiving hostile fire.
Let's stay here, Una. Let's go in here.
So you got two on top of the here.
Moving.
Oh, by the green?
Enemy UAV overhead.
Oh, yeah,
they're
they got sniper.
sniping.
Yep,
Right there.
yep.
Yeah.
We should move to yellow, bro. We should go there now.
Disregard blast.
Oh, what's that? Wall
Right there.
bang?
Disregard blast. Contact.
Down him.
Ping, Jer.
Light ping.
This is Striker 3-1. Good job.
I got one down over here. I got another one down. Push him. Right or no?
Someone's shooting
They're all
behind us.
down. I got two down.
Ah, you have two down. Come on, guys. Let's
Let's
push
go,
them.
let's go.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
By the green pin, right? Oh,
Yep,
someone's
green
sniping,
ping,
someone's
green
sniping. Shit.
Two of them in there.
Yeah, someone's sniping. Let me pin it.
Enemies in the area.
Okay.
Wait,
Moving.
wait a minute.
They're
There,
gonna
got
come
one
here
down.
anyways. They're gonna.
Oh, he's right here.
Target ID.
Pin them.
Oh my god,
Let's
this
wait for them.
reload is so fucking slow, bro. Fucking pissing me off. He's around there, he's just a fucking little pussy bitch. Oh, he's right here.
Moving here.
He's cracked. He's going to the right. Gonna die.
Where?
Yeah, let him die. Let him come. He has to come to us.
Yeah, he has to come to us.
It's 4-1.
Down. It's dead.
Nice.
It's dead.
Get the money.
Get
Get the
an
money.
ammo box in there.
Get the money there. But gas is coming, guys, huh?
Okay, we need to go.
I have extra ammo, guys. Eh?
The enemy
I think we need to reload our ammo now. If you guys need. Gonna get
I got
one more.
another UAV. I'm gonna pop this. Okay, a full team over here.
Yeah, it's a full team, guys.
One guy here. Yeah, we need to get across, guys.
Yeah,
Let's
we can
push
go
to
under
left
the
and
bridge.
Go across. Under the bridge? Okay, yeah.
Yeah, but
go.
okay. They
Might as well.
Do you guys wanna kill the Oh, let's just stay left. Okay. Yeah, let's go under.
Moving.
What's the plan, guys?
Go under the bridge and
Under the bridge,
go
under
across
the bridge.
circle.
Oh, there's someone stopping at the RA, okay?
Yeah.
Heading out.
Stay under the
Broke
bridge.
I'm already here.
They're there.
Yeah, let's wait
Down,
until
down,
the...
down here. Down.
Where?
By the purple.
Adari.
That's okay. They're gonna kill each other.
Yeah, let's keep this circle right here under the bridge.
Oh, did you drop the ammo?
Yeah, I
Oh,
dropped it. I need.
Yeah, that's okay.
Oh,
I'm going.
Sorry. Do you have gas mask there?
Yeah, I do.
Enemies in the area!
Where? Oh, there's an enemy.
Light ping. He's down.
He's in my building here.
Oh! Someone shooting at me.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
Easy circle, bro. Circle's right here.
They're on the house. Yellow house, guys.
Yeah. Let's rotate right. It's easier. Yeah. Oh, there's someone in
people
there?
here. Yeah.
Open the door. Oh shit.
Down
I got
here.
a whole team. Oh my god, I just got cracked.
If you can go down. Oh yeah, just use your selfie.
I got all these people stunned in here.
I down one in here.
I got 2 down on me. 2 down on me. I got another one down. Oh my god, I get sniped, bro. I have 3 down on me. 1 kill confirmed. Another guy right here.
Stay alive. Go under the building. Can do this, Carlisle.
No! My god.
Good try, bro.
They thought you were already dead.
Did you kill me?
Good
My
try.
god.
It's a good run. We can improve.
Nice one. They got the house.
Yeah. That's the same thing. Get the house first.
Yeah. They got the house first. But they're gonna die because here. At the hill. They're gonna die.
Contact! Haven't died yet.
Whoever is on the top, probably gonna win.
Yeah.
No, I think these guys got it, bro. They were doing good teamwork.
Yeah, good teamwork, yeah.
Oh, the circle is in them.
Another grenade.
Stay inside.
Grenade.
Yeah, they're gonna have to calm down. You just wait for them to go to the opener.
Oh, he's getting fucking popped from the
Grenade.
Oh, they got lucky. Wow, they can't.
They got lucky. Wow.
Wow.
If we got them first.
Contact!
This guy sucks, bro. Honey Trick sucks.
Yeah.
I don't know what he's doing.
Yeah, I don't know. Look.
Still died.
Crash.
They don't know how to do it.
Damn, they might have fucking. These kids really lost this. 4v2.
They got the house. Oh, yeah, 4v2.
It was 4v2.
No.
Now it's 2v2, I think.
No. There they are.
Oh, they got there first. They got there first.
They lost.
They have the advantage earlier.
Yeah. They got the advantage, but I don't know guys. Jer, mag-server ka, server. Jer.
Okay. I'm gonna be the server. I'll invite you guys.
Okay.
Yo.
Yo.
Uh, Hold on 1 second.
You take your time, bro. I'm about to go grab some water.
Yeah. I'm gonna go join him and just talk to him, and then I'll invite you again.
All right.
Lods, hindi ka makapasok? Hindi ka makapasok sa invite ko, Lods?
Ayun pala, Lods. Nasaan na sila?
Ayaw
Wala
sa'yo?
na, ayaw na nila.
Hindi. Yung invite ko
Ayaw.
hindi pumapasok.
No.
Kaya pala. Then, kumuha lang ng
Ayaw,
tubig
Lods,
siya,
ayaw.
yung isa.
Okay, Lods. No problem. Game nyo lang, Lods.
Pero yung invite ko hindi mo nare-receive.
There we go. Yeah,
Oh.
fucking shit. So slow, bro. Fucking hate.
Plug your mic, Carlos. They have the chance to the other team, they have the chance to win.
Bro, I don't know what they were doing.
I think they stayed on the building too long.
The fucking brakes, baby.
What weapon are you rocking right now? 420.
When I play like Battle Royale, the first weapon I get is the Kilo, a Ghost, and then I do the KR98 Ghost or the HDR Kilo, you know? Yeah, I like sniping. I'm good at sniping, bro. Like, when I play by myself or like duos, I usually just chill back, bro, and I fucking snipe the fuck out of people.
Nice.
My favorite. I usually just chill back, bro, and I fucking snipe the fuck out of people.
Nice. The win. Win. Close.
Get yourself sorted. We'll be deploying
You guys wanna do? Oh, you guys wanna keep doing the recon again?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm dash. Better, huh? You have a chance.
It's better.
You have a chance. No, you can't.
Yo, I want to try to get this crossbow, bro. Start playing with the crossbow.
Up for a loadout. It's good, but it's slow.
Fucking stupid, bro.
Oh. Just pin it, guys.
Okay. Ooh. Let's do
Battle
We should try to. You want to do the train? The recon?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's go there, let's go there.
Let's go.
Yeah, go.
Go to the train. I love riding in the train.
Me too, bro. Fun. And you know, it's always got action there, bro. Everybody always wants to come to the train, bro.
Yeah, if you get that, we're good. Good till the end. Oh, this guy's going to the train.
I got a whole team. Oh, there's a guy on. Oh, pinche. You're alright, leave me alone. Oh, he's coming right there.
Oh shit, he just followed me in here.
That's alright, bro. Ah, damn. We got wrecked at the train. Damn, what a little bitch.
I dropped too slow.
You're in the gulag now. Fight to earn redeployment.
Weapon first.
Pay attention, you'll be out there soon. Feel free to give these wankers a proper jury. And if you find something to throw, feel free to give them that as well.
Okay.
Get yourself sorted, you're up next.
Alright, where am I gonna go?
He's in the flag. He's in the flag. Nice.
Listen up, soldier. Win here and you return to the front line. But if you lose,
I'm gonna hit the scavengers, bro, so we can get, in case one of them don't make it, we can buy them back.
Okay, okay, okay.
Green.
What?
you're heading back to base.
What? I don't know.
Oh, insane.
We got you, buddy. We got you.
Where's Jer? Oh, Jer, you're dead, huh?
Yeah, I didn't make it.
Okay. Okay. Don't cry, okay?
I'm already crying. Too late.
Too late.
It's too late to apologize.
Wow! Too far.
That's fucking bullshit.
I'll get him, I'll get him.
Fucking. Oh my god, we're gonna die going across this.
Too far. You guys can loot.
Yeah. I'm gonna stay with purple.
Not worth it.
I'll try, okay?
Okay.
I'll try.
Light vehicle here.
Yo, Carlos you got a mic, Carlos?
No.
No?
No mic, Carlos.
Carlos, let's get a helicopter, huh?
Oh,
there's
somebody
people in it
took
right
it.
now.
There's a vehicle.
Light vehicle here.
Yeah, let's get his vehicle, Carlos.
Thank you, Carlisle.
No
Idol.
problem, my problem. My idol girl. It's back.
Where are we?
You cannot talk, man.
Ping.
It's not looted here, huh? It's not looted here.
Oh, right. Carlos, on top, Carlos. On
Carlos!
top, Carlos.
Carlos!
Okay, get him.
Carlos!
Fuck it. Oh!
Come on, Carlos!
Be careful.
Let's get them! Let's get them, Carlos!
Enemy UAV overhead.
Riley.
That's it, mine.
Out of the way. I'll drive.
We'll
Alright,
try.
we're gonna come to you guys.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, we're just looting
No
over here.
problem.
Enemy UAV overhead.
So far, it's clear.
Yeah.
UAV overhead. Enemy UAV overhead.
Buy station here
Let's
too.
go load out. Let's go load out. Let's go load out, guys.
Coming.
Dropping money at the buy station. I drop my money, guys, okay?
Okay. I'm about to come drop your mine. I'm gonna put a claymore at this buy station too, so in case anybody tries to
Yeah.
come, they fuck.
Okay.
And someone's dropping.
So we need a...
Where?
Oh,
What?
I got the loadout.
There.
They inside?
Where is he?
I don't see nobody outside.
He just
Hey, I
came
got a
inside.
loadout,
He just
guys. You
came.
ready? Come over here.
Yeah. Drop the loadout, guys. Drop.
Hiding somewhere. Okay, you guys go get your loadout first, and I'll watch. Oh, someone's having a loadout here.
Loadout drop inbound.
Oh, another loadout over there. Cool.
Where is he?
Yeah, let's go get that so I can get my...
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located. Enemy UAV overhead.
Here, drop my money. You guys can get whatever you want. I got a UAV inside my person pocket.
Two bucks, guys. 2 bucks.
Probably
Okay.
his loadout.
Enemy helo.
Get your loadout, guys. Someone sniping, huh?
What the fuck? Oh, where's my sniper at?
I got ammunition. Do you want me to drop it? I'll drop it if you want. Guys, come here.
Guys need ammo?
Mark some gear.
Oh, right there.
In their sights. Closing in.
Right there.
Alright, light ping.
Oh, they have to. Hey, they have to come to us, guys. They have to come to us. So be careful. Huh?
Down.
Nice.
Down. It's down.
He's gotta come to us.
Just wait for them.
UAV overhead.
I got the left. Hey, I got this left side.
Okay.
Enemies in the area.
He's dead, he's dead, he's dead.
Someone by the door. There's two more.
Okay, I got the left side. Don't worry about this left side.
Gonna die for sure.
Oh yeah, I'm a fucking murderer.
Where are they? Where are they?
Request recon flyover.
There. There they are.
By the door. Buy station. Buying.
Okay, one just went across over here.
Make for target location.
We got separated, okay?
Gonna go right.
UAV is bingo fuel.
Yeah, they're definitely gonna go right.
Running away.
Oh, someone's at buy station. At the buy station, guys. The buy station.
Behind?
Yeah, behind us, behind us.
Oh, someone just
Wow,
bought.
where the
got
fuck
bought
my
back.
claymore, bro? They didn't set my claymore off at all.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Oh, there goes my claymore now. Stun. Oh, it's fucking.
There, inside.
Oh, he's up top, right here.
Make for target location.
I got him down. Oh, another one. Behind me, in the front floor, on the bottom floor. They're reviving his guy at second floor. Reviving second floor. Reviving.
Here, another one. Another one dead.
Oh, they're full
Nice one.
That's okay. Good shit. Good
Yeah,
shit.
I'm
Good
dead.
shit.
Yeah. Nice one. They got me, my god.
Yeah, I almost had that one guy that kill me from behind.
Okay. You can buy
Your
us
money,
one.
Carlos.
Carlos. So we can buy a 1420.
Nah, he got me. Good
Yeah,
shit,
even
guys.
me, bro. Even me. Let's get our
Gracias.
gun.
That's my skill.
Muchas gracias, Carlos.
Gracias, señor.
Muchas gracias, Carlos.
So, we know we have a team behind us.
They're scared, bro. They saw all of our bullets. They were like, "Oh, fuck that."
There's still
fucking.
That's okay.
You say pussy, like pussy in Spanish, like pendeja, right?
Yeah.
I think it's
Yeah.
I think it's
You can go here, Jared, if you want. High ground, guys, high ground. It's clear.
Okay.
We can stay here.
oh, the circle is
So that
coming.
we can see them.
Circle is coming.
Yeah.
You can go to.
Let me use it to.
Guess wanna
We
go
gotta
to
go to Superstore. No?
Superstore is right here. It's already in
Oh,
the
there
zone.
they are. There they are. Down. Okay, kill.
Yep.
Yeah.
I'm just
It's
preparing
dead,
this
it's
truck.
Yep. Perfect.
Another one here.
I'm not got no fucking ammo.
Gas is closing in. In their sights. Contact front.
Damn, I need some ammo.
Let's go to the train station.
Yeah, let's go.
Go.
Let's fix this. Wait a minute. I'll check the upstairs. The rooftop, the rooftop. Okay, it's clear, guys. Let's go. Come on, come on.
There's a
Enemies in the area! Disregard blast.
the
Be
extra
careful
gas
of the
mask over
mountain,
here.
okay? Where? Okay. Nice one, nice one. Come on, come on.
Let's climb up over here.
Oh, there's an enemy, Jar. No! Oh, they're in the mountain, guys.
Oh, my
They're in
bad.
the mountain.
My bad. It's the wrong spot.
Fucking egg.
Random. Oh shit.
Oh, what?
Come back stronger next time.
Oh, what a bitch, bro.
Yeah, so...
Sorry, I picked the wrong spot.
No, it's okay. Nobody's fault, bro.
Probably
There's people everywhere, bro.
Yeah.
I didn't even see them. They're like camping, blending.
Get yourself sorted. We'll be deploying shortly.